this video you will learn how to fix SharePlay not working in FaceTime on iPhone. Check SharePlay is enabled, go to Settings, FaceTime, SharePlay and ensure the SharePlay toggle is on. Update iOS to latest version, go to Settings, General Software Update and install any pending updates. SharePlay requires compatible iOS versions to work. Enable SharePlay in supported apps. Some apps like the music or streaming apps have SharePlay permission settings inside the app. Make sure they are enabled before starting a session. Restart FaceTime. Close FaceTime fully in the app switcher and reopen it to refresh the SharePlay connection. Check subscription or region restrictions. Ensure that the content you're sharing is available in your country and both participants have a valid subscription when required. Restart iPhone. A simple restart can fix background system issues that can interrupt SharePlay syncing. Now you know how to fix SharePlay not working in FaceTime on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.